Seattle Emergency Lock and Locksmith is locksmith service in the Seattle area. Our team of experienced, certified professional locksmiths is available 24/7 to help you with any emergency lock or security situation. Call now 206-317-8055. We specialize in residential, commercial, automotive and emergency locksmith services. Whether you need a new key made, an old lock rekeyed, emergency access, or a complete security system installation, we have the expertise and experience to get the job done right. We are committed to providing prompt, reliable, affordable services that meet your needs. Seattle Emergency Lock and Locksmith is dedicated to providing excellent service, so you can rest easy knowing that you're in good hands with us. Locking your car doors and not being able to open them can be a very frustrating experience. When you're in a hurry, you might not be able to open your car doors at all. At Seattle Emergency Lock, our team of experienced and highly trained technicians is available 24/7 to provide a wide range of automotive lock services, including key duplication, emergency lockout services, ignition switch repair, transponder key programming, and more. To guarantee the greatest quality of work and quick turnaround times, we employ cutting-edge technology and equipment. To put it simply, we deliver the best customer service in the industry because we go above and beyond for each and every one of our clients. We are the ones to call when you need new keys manufactured right away or urgent assistance. Have you locked yourself out of your car, a house, or somewhere else, and you need an emergency locksmith in Seattle? Have no fear because Seattle Emergency Locksmith is here to help. Call now 206-317-8055.